So now we'll start with the chapter, what exactly is food? So food is a basic commodity of life. When we say basic commodity, what does this basic commodity mean? Basic commodity means this is like basic, ye chahiye. We need it. If we do not have this basic commodity, then we will not survive. We will not live. We cannot, we will starve. We will not live beyond.
Ma'am, it is because our food is needed for our body. Without it, we can't live for 3 days.
Yes, why only 3 days, Sahib? In fact, there are few people, small children,
Who are suffering from malnutrition? The people who are suffering from malnutrition
Correct.
cannot survive for 1 day also.
Correct. Thank you, Sahib. So when somebody says basic commodity means it's about life or death. Okay. Now the second point is it helps us to stay healthy. What do you mean by stay healthy? Neela, can you please answer? When we say food helps us to stay healthy.
We will stay healthy we have strength and we can live.
Correct.
We should
Correct, you're right. It doesn't allow us to get weak, right? It gives us a lot of strength, lot of power, lot of energy to do all our work on a daily basis. We do not have diseases. It gives us good health. Food gives us good health. Correct? Now, the third point is the raw materials help us to grow. What are the raw materials in food? How is it that we eat food and we grow? How is it? Yeah, Sahib, tell me. How is it that we eat raw materials and we grow? Yes, Pragya, the components of food. Correct. It is the components of food. Sahib, you also wanted to answer? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am. I was saying that we need food for living. And why we need food? Because food is having many different materials and nutrients. So raw materials are one of them which help us to grow.
Correct.
And there are other essential materials which make us free from diseases like malnutrition.
Of course,
and
they
other.
are. Yes, very good. Thank you, Sahib. So basically, when we talk about grow, that means, there are certain components in the food which helps us to grow. And mainly that component is protein. You must have seen a tiny little baby, just 1 year old. How come, that, they say na, that, when you're an infant, they need to have a lot of protein. They need to have a lot of milk. They need to have a lot of cereals. They need to have a lot of fish and, dairy products. Why? Because they need a lot of protein to grow. And, that 1 year old baby grows into 2 year old baby who is a little more taller, little more healthier. Yes, Vivan, you're right. The proteins help us to build new cells. You're right. So basically the component in food, proteinaceous food, if we have, it will allow us for growth. Correct. Exactly, Neha. If you do not have proper food, remember the word proper. Food, it can be junk food, it can be just fatty food, it can be any food. We can keep on having food. But that's not the solution. We need to have proper food to give us good health, to give us good growth, and also to make us disease free. Okay, Vivan, can you also tell me what is the meaning of disease? What is disease?
It means that we will not suffer through any disease.
What is the meaning of disease? Disease is a scientific.
It means that if someone is ill, not healthy.
Not healthy, unhealthy. Correct.
Unhealthy.
Yes. If you just break up this word, dis plus ease, what does that mean? Our body is not at ease. When our body is not feeling easy, not at ease, it is called disease. That is how the word disease has come. Correct? Yes, Sahib, you're right. Proteinaceous food are chicken, milk, egg, milk products, dairy products, fish. These are all protein related, protein rich food. Yes, vitamins and minerals are known as protective food. We will study about in details. Correct? So I hope all of you have understood what is food basically and why we need food. Yes, Of course, proteins are also known as the building blocks. They are the building blocks of any body. There are so many points which we can talk about when we talk about food. But to make our life easy, to make our studies easier, what has been done is that food, the requirement for food has been broken down into 3 portions: growth food, energy giving food, and basically these are known as protective food, which helps us to be healthy. Yeah. So growing food, energy giving food, and food that keeps us healthy, that is protective food.